Right, good morning team. We're here at a beautiful campsite just outside of Mount Morgan and I've got Karen with me. And Karen, what are we whipping up this morning?
We are going to do some delicious scones. This is my favourite mix. It's very simple. We just add the flour mix, water and a handful of sultanas.
You beauty. And what do we do after that?
We let it rest for about 5 minutes. I've already got the camp oven heating up and then they cook for about 20.
Nice and easy. All right, let's get into it.
First we add the flour. Then 230 mils of water, and then a handful of sultanas, and mix and knead.
Oh, luckily I was a state kneading champion back in '92, so I'll get in on this one.
Okay, at home I actually put my hands in there and sort of bring it into a bit of a ball, and then I put it onto the board and start shaping it.
Luckily I've washed my hands, so it's time to get messy.
So Tony, what you're chasing here is a nice sticky dough. So you're doing right, just keep turning it over.
Hopefully I haven't picked up any flies on the way. We wouldn't notice anyway, it's got the sultanas in there.
Tony, I'm really questioning your technique right now.
Oh, that's mainly because I made it all up, but it is actually looking a little bit like scone dough at the moment. It's not too bad. It is really sticky. It's kind of everywhere, but it's looking pretty good. I don't reckon we're too far away.
That's actually how it's meant to be. I always put a bit of flour on there and it'll tell me how hot the actual camp oven is. If the flour burns really quickly, that's exactly what's going to happen to your scones or bread. If it goes nice and golden, it's perfect.
Okay, nice little, just bigger than a golf ball size. Pop those into the camp oven. All right.
Now the tip with cooking or baking in a camp oven is you don't put too many coals on the bottom, otherwise you burn the base. So I've put a few coals on, but most of the hot coals are going to go on the top. Now the coals are on, we'll check these after 15 minutes. Are you ready for this, Tony?
Can't wait. Ah, look at these. Now that's perfectly cooked. But it also means that we have to pack up camp and get to our final ghost town. And that's where we're going to be having morning tea.